How to add reviews to Shopify store. Go to your Shopify account and log into your dashboard. Look for the Add Apps button on the dashboard and click on it. Once you're in the Apps section, click on Shopify App Store to explore available apps. In the search bar, type Judge.me and hit enter to find the review app. Among the search results, click on Judge.me product reviews to learn more about it. Hit the Install button, and when prompted, confirm the installation. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu provided. Choose where you want to install Judge.me on your Shopify store. Click on Start Setup and enable the App Embed feature for smooth integration. After making your selections, click Save to apply the changes. Go back to the previous tab and click on Next Step to move forward with the setup. Click on Install Review Widget and then save to add review widgets to your store. Again, go back to the previous tab and click on Next Step to proceed. Click on Install Star Ratings and save to activate star ratings for your products. Finally, navigate back one more time and click Finish to complete the setup process. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power of customer reviews for your Shopify store. Get ready to boost your credibility and sales with Judge.me. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more valuable tips. Thanks for watching and happy selling!